This is our cardinal couple. We have two couples that stay all winter, and they come and they feed right here at our feeder, and it's so close to the house that if I step out onto the porch, they'll usually all fly away. So I'm having to do it through the window. Of course, Lily down here has been very interested in everything they do. She acts like she's sleeping, but she's watching. Little satellite dish ears, yeah, they're moving. But there's a lot of bird action today. I just didn't want to startle them because they're all so happy. And it's in the high 60s. It's supposed to be maybe even up into the high 70s today. And after all that crazy weather we had, this is just so welcome and so beautiful. It's March 19th, 2017, at about 2:30 in the afternoon. A little bit of bird watching up here in the Ozarks. And there's my view, kind of zoomed a bit. Gonna be in my wall tapestry soon, because it's my special personal view, but I want to share it because it's such a privilege to get to watch it throughout the day and throughout the year.